watched a program on television the other night, and it was all about sleeping pills.
Mm-hmm.
And they were talking about temazepam, which I'm on, but they said it's addictive. But I use them to get to sleep, and they really work.
Is there anything you might have found unhelpful about them? So some of the things that might happen, people are more likely to fall, blood pressure changes, problems thinking clearly.
And now that you mention it, I mean, I have had a couple of falls lately when you lie awake in bed worrying about things, whereas if I take a pill, I just go straight off to sleep. You know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't sleep all night, but it gets me off to sleep.
Yeah.
So.
Look, I hear you. That's one of the things we notice with temazepam and other sleeping medications like that, long term. They lose their effectiveness. And we know these medications, they replace a useful chemical that your body naturally makes. So over a time, your body gets lazy and stops making that chemical, which is a sort of calm me down chemical, because it's assuming you're going to get it from the tablet. If you stopped the temazepam suddenly, your body would notice, because the cells aren't making the calm me down chemical, and you'll get what we call some withdrawal symptoms. We have to wake them up, so that takes a bit of time. During that time, as we're reducing gradually at a pace that's right for you, so this is something you control. That's really important to know that at the outset. What we actually know works is learning a set of skills taught by a psychologist, and they're called cognitive behavioural therapy, and it's specific for insomnia. That when you learn that, these skills have the best long-term outcome for improving sleep long-term.
You've told me a lot, Doctor, so I might just have to think about it.
I think that's a very good idea. Why don't you take this with you? Would you like to meet again and discuss it further?
Well, I'll go home and have a read and talk to my husband, and then
Okay.
perhaps I'll make another appointment next week.
Excellent.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Doctor.
Thanks, mate.